Hi guys, welcome to watch WebCommander tutorial. This time we are learning how to use workflow variables. There are two ways to define workflow variables. The first is through the special command define variables. In the first example, we have a workflow of three commands. In the first command, we define two variables. Second to sleep equals to 3 and the second equals to 4. Please note that if we name a variable after a command parameter, like the second variable, we actually define a default value for that parameter. It means all the sleep commands in this workflow will sleep 4 seconds by default, and we could use the first variable to override the default value. Okay, let's run it. As we see, the second command slept 3 seconds, and the third command slept 4 seconds. When we have a very long workflow and want to use it in different environments, we'll probably need to change parameter values from time to time. In this situation, define variables at the top of the workflow is a good practice, because we only need to change variable values in the first command without touching any other command in the workflow. The second way to define variables is through the output of the command. In the second example, we simply output number 5 from the first command. We use this statement to define a variable named second to sleep. / standard output is an XPath expression. We use it to get the text enclosed in this tag from the command output. Please note that all command outputs on WebCommander is XML. Sorry about the noise in the background. My daughter is talking to me. So we could use this expression to get any value from command output. And then we refer to the variable by putting the variable name here. Okay, let's go to the final example. This example is slightly from the previous one. We output a string in JSON format, and we use this statement to store the output in a JSON string. The variable name must end with JSON, and we could refer to the atom value in the JSON variable in this statement. We need to enclose variable and key names in square braces and single quotes. To define a JSON variable is useful because in reality we could define all aspects of an entire data center in a JSON file. When we need to compose a workflow to automate some tasks, we could simply refer to the JSON file to get the information we need in this way. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.